Yara and Freddie, a part-time travel couple out of Florida, traveling the globe to luxe getaways and bucket list destinations.
We're excited to share our experience with you in the hopes we can help you plan your next vacation.
Join us as we embrace the world one adventure at a time. Hello, everybody. Come on in. Welcome to the Excellence Oyster Bay. We're so excited to be here, everybody. We've got a great hotel room tour for you. Let's first go over here to the bathroom. We've got 2 double sinks with Verine products, body lotion and such. Come on over here. We've got a rainfall shower. It's lovely. Can't wait to get inside that. And then you've got a toilet over here on this side. Now over here, you've got a beautiful full-length mirror so us ladies can see what we look like. Right? And look at this view. I mean, look at this room. It's magnificent. We're just going to give you a quick pan out so you can see the whole entire room. It's just lovely. Yeah, we've got an oceanfront room. It's amazing. So right here, we just have a push-in and we have our own walk-in closet with plenty of room for us ladies. So we've got room, we've got 2 robes, and we have a safe right here. All right. And plenty of shelving. Okay, so coming on out, we've got a lovely king-size bed, which as you can see, they've already decorated because tomorrow's my birthday!
Yay for the birthday girl.
And we also have a TV on this side, so 1 TV here. And we've got another TV over here in the living area. But wait. All right, Freddie, you gotta come on in. Come in this way so we can show the coolness that we've got an accordion door that you can close off the entire master from the living room area. Is that cool or what, right? So we got that. We've got a great little living room area here with champagne waiting for us, a little fruit, and I've got to see what's in here, but I suspect it's for my spa treatment tomorrow for my birthday. All right, awesome sauce. Okay, over here, we've got a complimentary bar because we are an Excellence Club. So we're an Oceanfront Excellence Club. So when you have Oceanfront Excellence Club, you get a full mini bar that's completely complimentary, and you get this mini fridge that's stocked every day from 9 to 5 with all these goodies. 9 to 5 every day, they'll restock it for you. Nice little sitting desk if you wanted to do some work, and a second TV. But no, it gets even better, folks, because on this side, woo, we've got a jacuzzi. Yes. So a nice soaker jacuzzi tub that you can get in from inside the room. So it's pretty fabulous. All right. It's time to give you the main event. The main event is here is the oceanfront room. Come on out. Look at this view. We've got a beautiful view of Montego Bay. We're in Falmouth. We left Montego Bay. That's where we came in and flew in at the airport. But we're actually in Falmouth, which is about 40 minutes outside of Montego Bay. And we've got a beautiful oceanfront view right in front of us. I love it. And then right here, we've got Woo! A day bed. So, a fabulous day bed for us to sit, as well as 2 Adirondack chairs. So, I'm pretty impressed. Oh, and this little secret nook over here. Thank you, Freddie. Get this secret nook. So if you just want to have a little quiet time with your significant other, there's a great little nook here that you can have of quiet time. So absolutely love that. It's awesome. All right. So there you have it, everybody. The beautiful Excellence Club Oceanfront room here at Excellence Oyster Bay. This is the check-in area for villas. It has the Zenith Club.
Oh, is it?
Now we're going to continue our tour.
We got a room.
Oh, we got a room! Oh my God!
Yes! I was just leaving the lobby at the villa.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. Guys, we're gonna go see a beach villa. We didn't think we were gonna be able to see it on our resort tour with the lovely Miss Marsha, but this is my travel agent tour, and it's so great. We're gonna get to see a beach villa. So exciting. Okay.
There's a cute little walkway out to the ocean. So these are considered, if you step over here, so they just do the cementing.
Okay.
They're doing the stripping. The owners are coming in 2 days as well.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a time of year. They come every November.
Get these
Family.
bites with every villa. There's 5 of these. Look at that. Lovely. But yeah, that cost is very.
This is off season.
It's off season at 3,800. Ooh.
Yeah, you're gonna go in January, February, March. You're gonna go for $5,000 a night.
Ooh.
And they're booked. They're booked.
Wow.
Hi. We're gonna take a quick look in here. We know you're in there. It's fine. Thank you for accommodating us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, sweetheart.
Hello, everybody. Here we are at the Excellence Oyster Bay Beach Villa. Take a look at that bar. Look at the TV and all the amenities inside. Me and y'all were both wild with this. Here's the sitting area outside. Take a look at the decorations. Man, let me tell you, spectacular. Here's the sitting area. It was awesome to sit here and just view this. Take a look over here. Here's the private pool. Sitting right there on the beach, looking out onto the beautiful bay right here. Man, wouldn't you love to be here? Take a look over here at the swing they had. I've never seen one like this one. It was pretty doggone nice. And over here under the umbrella, under the sitting area, where you can just sit back and drink your Bahama Mamas or your margaritas. Coming back over here, big surprise coming. Take a look, here's the sitting area right there where you can have dinner or lunch. Then back here is the jacuzzi. Nice and private, away from everything. Very nice. Follow back in here. We're gonna go back to the inside. Take a look at this. Now here's the view coming back in. Here's the TV on the wall. A little sitting area if you need to work. You shouldn't do that. And here around the corner, the bar.
I'm so excited. We are in a beach villa. These rooms cost $3,800 to $5,000 a night. Look at this. You get his and her sinks. Your own shower. Your own toilet facilities. Look at this. A nice, lovely room. And a butler comes with this room. I forgot to say that. You get a butler that comes with this room. So it's pretty amazing. So if you want to get this room at Excellence Oyster Bay, I can help book it for you. So remember, I am a travel agent as well as a content creator, and I would be happy to book your luxury vacation to Excellence Oyster Bay. So give me a call.
So in here you have your walk-in closet. So you can closet in here.
Oh, and I forgot the walk-in
your
closet.
robes, safe, your towels, steamer, just the same. Your yoga mats would be in there, your extra towels. Under the sink, just like your room, you'd have the extra washcloths, the rags, scales.
Can you refresh me the items that they get with the room? You get the...
So you get the 70-minute massage in room, and that is in-room service, so the spa comes to you. You get your romantic dinner on the beach for 2, and that is unlimited, so you can set that up as many nights as you'd like. You have your bicycles. You also have your butler that's available with the Rolls Royce cards. In-room yoga. The yoga mats are provided as well. You have a mini bar area, microwave, and wine cooler that is also included. And you get bar service one time during your stay for an hour.
Awesome.
They also get the preference of booking restaurants, making reservations, even though we advertise walk in, first come, first serve.
Right.
Our villa guest gets the option through their butler to make their dinner reservations.
Awesome.
And also, of course, they get the hydrotherapy complimentary one time during their stay as well.
Excellent.
So this is a fantastic category for not just our business travelers, but our leisure travelers who want just very private getaway in an elevated, elegant atmosphere.
Absolutely. Thank you, Marsha.
You're most welcome. All right, so this is, let me get these lights on for you. All right, so as you walk into this, which is similar to your room, you have the double vanity. So you have your his and hers.
Yeah.
Underneath, you do have the same toiletries,
Waterfowl.
towels, wash rags, scales, slippers.
Yeah.
You don't need the scale. We're never reading that off.
I know. I'm like, I'm not going to use the scale on vacation.
So this is not an Excellence Club room. I sell this as a private pool room.
Okay, private pool room.
So they're all king-size beds. There's a slider. So it's an open concept, just the same, but there's a slider.
Love the slider.
You know, there's 2 TVs in all of our rooms. And of course, we have an honor bar as well, which is available to all of our guests. And this is restock, which is what she's going to be doing once per day. Services between 9 and 5 o'clock. All of my rooms on the property, even my run-up house, has at least a soaking tub. This category has a soaking tub and also a private pool.
Ooh, sorry. Soaking tub for those romantic moments.
As you step out into your balcony, you'll see, as I mentioned, it's not a swim-up room, but it's a private pool.
Oh, okay.
There's one pool
No, I
per
like
room.
that.
We like that as well. If a group is traveling together and they have the same category, we can room them together if you ask for that.
Okay.
So we have that available as well.
Here's the private.
This I really sell the
main
view
pool.
because it's partial ocean view because you're obviously being blocked by some trees and some stuff.
Okay.
So we sell this for the pool. The room above us is identical except without the pool.
Without
I
the
sell
pool.
that for the view, so it's a partial ocean view.
Partial ocean view.
And then the rooftop, I sell the rooftop, which is giving you an ocean view. The higher you go, the clearer the ocean is.
Right. Okay.
In
Yeah, I
this
like it.
category, I have 38 of these rooms.
38 rooms.
Yes, ma'am.
I like that because I've done a swim up pool at a Sandals and didn't, you're sharing it.
You're sharing. I don't like the
Yeah, I don't like the sharing.
Or
So.
you'll be on yours and somebody's swimming by and think,
Yeah, right?
So I like the private. And Carmen has these categories on the rooftop.
Ooh,
Which is amazing.
okay.
My
Awesome.
rooftop rooms has plunge pools, which
Okay.
is similar to the pool in your room.
Okay,
That white 10-feet pool,
Yeah.
that's what we have on all of the rooftops.
okay.
The bottom has this private pools and the beach houses. Those are Excellence Club beach houses. I get to show you one.
Okay.
Those have the plunge pools and they're heated in the winter. So November 15, all of their heated pools will be on.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
I
so
like
the
it.
rooftop
So it does
pool-
get cold here.
Yeah, it's not chilly, but in the evenings, it
And I
can be a
forgot to
little bit
mention
chilly.
there
So
was the
if, if somebody
oregano
wants to
during
take
my
an evening
last
swim in
tour.
their
That's
private
the
pool,
oregano
we'll start heating
on
it
one
up.
side,
I'll make it mark.
and then you've got the rooftop infinity pool, and on the other side is the lobster house.
But I do love
Lovely.
these categories as well.
What do you think, Freddie?
I'm sold.
You sold on excellence? We love excellence.
Thank you.
Yes.
62% of our booking is repetitive business.
Oh, see, it goes
Because
to
we do a
show.
lot of direct booking. It
Yeah.
doesn't work all the time because, of course, like for agents like yourself, it can be a little bit more difficult for you to get the inventory or larger rooms.
Right.
But you're still commission based, and
Yes.
once you book it way ahead in advance, thank you so much. You'll be more than likely to get the categories for your clients or for yourself. Building has 4 rooms, individual rooms. There's 2 downstairs and there's 2 on the upper level.
Okay.
The downstairs one allows you to walk straight out to the water. The upper level does not, so you have to enter from here.
Okay.
So of course the bottom level is priced higher than the upper level.
I can see that.
You will love these. You would love these. These are super cute, right on the water, oceanfront. Amenities, we are changing from the Bulgari to the 𝐿𝐴𝐿 version. These are I think they're from Finland or one of those countries, but that's the brand we're changing for our company. You'll still, this is an arrival room, so this is the standard amenity for this room. And you'll see that the alcohol content changes. So the higher you go, the higher the content. Some room has Grey Goose and Absolute, some of the Kingston, which is the Upton Special, your wine opener. And of course, you still have the mini bar that is fully included. And we stop one for the...
Ooh, I love the soaker tub. Oh, and the pool. Okay.
So while the private pool had the jacuzzi, this is a soaking tub, which you'll see on that side.
Yeah, I saw
the
that.
lovely view out to the plunge pool. So these are the plunge pools, similar to your room. And these are going to be heated, as mentioned.
That's during the winter.
And then a fantastic walk, just walking straight out.
That is just amazing.
Yeah, that's nice, right?
I could see how you would want a beach house.
Yeah.
Oh.
So there's something for everybody. Some people like to be closer to the main pool where the activities are going on. Some people just want to relax and be away from all of that. Some people want to be closer, they can hear the ocean. Or some people want to go higher but can see the Bay Area. So there's something for everybody.
Yeah, I love it.
And I have more Excellence Club rooms than non-club rooms.
Okay.
And I have more rooms with pools than rooms without pools.
How funny is that?
The most pools in Jamaica.
Wow.
110 pools on the resort.
Yeah, this is lovely. I love the beach house room. Made in terrazzo.
Yeah.
Are those terrazzo floors? I think it's terrazzo or.
I have no idea. What is terrazzo?
It's like a harder stone surface.
Okay. I don't ask my engineer. Or I got it myself.
These floors. Once again, but there's a house.
Yeah. We lost our roofing for a few of these during Helen, the hurricane.
Yeah, you guys weren't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of shingles for these. So we have to move guests from these, put them in the main building.
Okay.
And some guests didn't want to go home. We were trying to get flights for people to leave.
Right.
Like, we're going to wing it, but we cannot stay in the beach park house.
Right.
In the main building. So we got a couple that,
These are lovely. I love it.
I love these. Of course, it has a walking closet at the stage right behind you here. And the amenities. So,
Walking
motion
closet.
friendly with the lights, conservation friendly. We have your tray, everything is the same here.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified of our upcoming videos.